for Cathy Delanssay's The Wish with free special treatment version 1, we have electric diamonds in the white areas in the background that give this painting a nice sparkle. You can place it in all of the areas that are white, even on her dress, on her top. And then we also have magenta crystals, and those are the red beads that we see sparkling blue on her dress. So simply sprinkle it in those areas together with that red flower on her hair. Those are all magenta crystals. And lastly, we have violet pearls that are sprinkled in the sky, in the purple sky, just to give it like a starry night glow.